Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Lately I've been doing a few more complex projects and it's getting quite difficult to figure out what's actually gone wrong when things don't work properly, which is why I've gone out and brought this home. So what I've got here is an oscilloscope. So thought I'd unbox it for everyone. So this was a pretty cheap machine. It was only about 400 Australian dollars, which is about half the price of any of the other ones with the same specs that I've seen. So we'll have to see how this actually performs. But I think it's probably going to be just fine for someone who's just starting out with this stuff like me, and only really going to be doing audio stuff with it. So as you can see, this one's goes up to 100 megahertz. We won't be doing anything anywhere near that, so hopefully it'll be alright. I'm going to try to get a tone out of one of my synthesizers so that we can have something to measure. Alright, so I've got a saw wave coming out of the Prophet one. See if I can find some way to attach this probe so it won't come off. Might have to wrap something around there, I think. So we're going to use some tin copper wire. Get that around here. This. Hold that on with a little bit of tape. And we'll get another little bit for the tip. We'll make a little loop for that hook to grab onto. There we go, so we've got that attached to our lead. There we go. There's our saw wave. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see me do some more interesting videos where I'll actually use this to figure out some problems with my circuits. This one in particular is one that I'll be fixing up pretty soon. This is part of the Boss DS1 to modular conversion that is not quite working properly. So you guys will get to see that soon.